You got your first goal for Ghana. How did that feel?
Yeah, of course it was. On the whole, it was a bit frustrating. You know how this is the biggest game for us. You know, we always we know we can win against this team. So frustrating on that note. But I'm also happy to make my start in scoring goals for Ghana, which I intend to do for a long time.
And it's a great game, but nothing friendly about it. How was it in front of all these passionate fans?
Oh, it's amazing. It just shows what football's about, what the culture's about, and even though half of the fans are for you, half are against you, the whole atmosphere is amazing, and we want to see more days like this. Hopefully everyone's safe, everyone's happy, and we enjoyed it.
You've got Trinidad and Tobago in the third place playoff on Saturday. How do you feel going into that game?
Yeah, I mean, to be fair, on a personal note, I'm a little bit frustrated because I'm Jamaican as well, so I would have liked to do that one, but now in terms of playing against Trinidad, we go out there, same attitude as always, try and win the game, and put things right, which is what we want to do.
Perfect. Thank you very much, Thomas. Thank you.